Hello guys! In this video I'm going to show you how to create a new project on the FilmMaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, click to the new project button at the upper left side of the screen, and here you can find a short tutorial of or where you can add text stickers, how to play and how to save and share your videos and others. And if you want to add a video or a photo to your project, click to the plus icon at the lower left corner of the screen and just select for example a photo of your device, and new you can edit and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.